Garuda Linux Temeraire isn't just another rolling update, it's direction change. A new CachyOS-based kernel, redesigned Plasma login manager, a rebuilt Hyprland setup, and a tooling overhaul that signals Garuda's next era. This is the release where Garuda says, "We're done being flashy and we're fast. Now we're fast." Let's talk about that, shall we? Garuda adapting a Cache OS-based kernel is a big deal. Smart CPU scheduling, better responsiveness under load, improved gaming performance, lower latency for creators and streamers. CachyOS has been quality building one of the most optimized kernels in Arch ecosystem. Temeraire brings the intelligence directly to Garuda, and this is the first time Garuda's performance story feels engineered, not just themed. Garuda Plasma Login Manager gets a full redesign. Cleaner IU, faster startup, better Wayland session handling, more reliable multi-monitor directions. It's stable, but it matters. Garuda has always been visually loud. Temeraire makes it visually professional. This is the first login screen that feels like it belongs in a modern workstation. Hyprland is no longer an experimental flavor. Temeraire rebuilds the Hyprland experience. The new default configuration, better than Windows rules, improved animation, cleaner keyboard, more stability, Wayland screen sharing. Garuda's Hyprland edition finally feels like it's a daily driver, not a demo. This is Wayland future Garuda always wanted. Temeraire introduces major tooling updates, Garuda Assistant improvements, better BTRFS, snapshots handling, updates, Garuda welcome. Cleaner system maintenance tools, more reliable package management flows, Garuda tools used to feel like a collection of cool ideas. Now they feel like workflow. This is the Stop Fighting Your System update. Garuda Temeraire is quietly becoming a creator-friendly distro. Faster kernel, smoother editing, Hyprland stability, better Windows management, Plasma Login Manager, cleaner multi-monitor setup, tooling improvements, fewer interruptions. Garuda has always been stylish. Temeraire makes it practical. Temeraire marks the philosophical shift. Garuda is no longer the flashy Arch distro. It's becoming a performance-tuned creator-ready Wayland first workstation OS. The dragon is growing up. Garuda Linux Temeraire is the release that says we're not competing with Arch, we're building something new. A smarter kernel, cleaner login experience, a redefined Hyprland setup, more mature tool set. Temeraire isn't loud, it's confident. And that's the most exciting part. Like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching.